first vlog for the vlogging life of Zoe, the first video on this channel. It's only 1 subscriber so far, so yeah. I just hit 140 subs on my main channel, or it should be in my channel section of my channel. But right now I'm in my living room waiting for Reese because we're about to play Dance Central. And I do believe she is up there right now. I'm walking around looking crazy, but I got my Doctor Who shirt on. All the doctors. Yeah. My hair's tied up today. And I'm on my couch now. So maybe you'll get to see a bit. So, okay, she's coming. She's coming. And we're about to play Dance Central. Hey. So, I don't think I'm gonna... Do you want to do any?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, turn the Xbox on. Wait. Here, can you get the disc?
Can I dance in the background?
Here, how about I just film you?
Okay.
This second. I have to tie my hair up. I'll just do it.
You have to hold. It's the camera's holding around. So.
Can you just...
You're trying to click it. Dance Central. Dance Central.
You're welcome.
Guys.
Oh, it's filming.
Dance
Okay.
Central.
I'm so much taller than you. Don't you think they should be able to see our feet?
I mean, come on. It's dance. Do you have to like raise your hand? What song is it? Sandstorm.
No.
Sandstorm.
Okay, we're going to Sandstorm.
No, not perform. Not perform it back. What? You want to do dance back?
Sure.
You're in Sandstorm.
What? So here,
Oh,
give me
no.
the control.
Easy. You can't see the screen. So it's kind of weird. Wait, I call
the Ninja Groups.
What do they call the high def one? You can't see the screens. It's
Yeah, I
weird.
know. You always have
I don't like it.
You don't like what?
No. Wait, don't click ready yet. I want to change the dance now. I want to be the other guy. Glitch.
That was kind of annoying.
You like him, don't you?
Yeah, glitch looks cool.
Should we be turning on the phone before we start?
Here, I will.
Yeah, okay.
All the way up?
Yeah.
Careful, can't blame a busted controller if you come up short.
You're gonna get cold.
Oh!
Stupid means.
That's Ohio.
You're in Sandstorm. What? I want to be glitch. I was glitch.
Oh,
Come back.
no.
I'm supposed to be glitch.
Okay.
Ninjas in the lead. Can't say I'm surprised. High def, that's very good. Ninjas are ahead like high def.
It's not even your turn. It was so weird.
I'm going the wrong way.
It's not even my turn, but I'm still going.
Right play up front.
Flawless.
Ninja crew, gonna be tough to beat.
Come on!
Oh wait, is this the one where we have to do it? Oh yeah. It's
Oh,
all!
yes, it's up!
You can.
Oh, really ridiculous!
Oh no, it's mine.
Ah!
No! No! Oh, it's mine! It's mine! Come on!
No! Yes!
We're very competitive.
Oh! You see this? You see this? You can't touch this!
Talk about only getting nice. No!
Do as many of these moves as you can.
Ah! No! Mine!
No!
Yes! No, no. Go! Ah! Ah! It's on, man. I know. No, you're winning!
Yes, I am, baby!
That's why I was losing.
Flawless, baby!
No!
Hold on, look at this. Oh! I won!
High jump is the
402,000!
professional moves.
Wait, isn't Soldier Boy on?
Oh!
It doesn't dance
Okay,
like
one more.
No, it's
No,
fine. How about this one?
I'll just put it on.
Yeah.
My group man glitch.
Yeah. I know.
Oh!
Good.
Should I just turn it on?
No.
Yeah, you little ninjas!
Haven't you heard? You already lost. Watch, I'll prove it.
Oh.
Have we done this before?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Flawless, baby!
The ninjas are looking unstoppable. Right there, come on up.
Why is it so hard?
Okay, it's on. It's on.
Left player, time to shine.
What? How do you...
Perform any of the moves in the square.
It's on, man. Wait, I'm paying this time? Yeah.
We're bad at this.
Oh, again. Heck yeah!
Ninja crew looking good.
It's so fun when I'm winning. Yeah, whatever.
Stay with it, high def.
This feels so stupid. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hate you.
Why can't I do this one?
Look at me go. What's this? Oh, oh it's on!
Up your score.
Oh gosh! Okay. Yeah! No!
What the heck is that? How did I do that?
You just got took to ninja school.
I think that's gonna be it for this. Bye.